Yo, what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It is Saturday night, and guess what? I am not alone, because I don't walk alone, you know, when it comes to this part of the show. So in the studio, we have, drum roll please,
Munyaradzi Nyamarebvu.
Nice, welcome to Coke VIP.
Hello, thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
All right, so you have an amazing career. You've been doing music since 2012. And, you know, you've done some things, you know, with some German artists, but you finally had your album last year. How does it feel like to actually be an owner of an album?
It feels amazing. To me, it's not really about owning an album. It's been about the process of creation, because it's not easy to come up with a song. So when you do come up with a project that's a complete project, it's more like it's a sentimental thing for an artist to have.
So it's like a baby.
It's like a baby.
Nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, so Munya is amazing, as I already mentioned. Not only does he sing, he's also a songwriter. Not only is he a singer-songwriter, he also plays the instruments. Tell us which instruments you play.
I play the mbira, nari. And for those who don't know, mbira is an African instrument. It originates from Zimbabwe, from the Zezuru, the Shona people, and it's normally played in a calabash. And sometimes it's got the resonators, which we call dende. That makes the sound big. And then sometimes they put on bottle caps on there to give a percussive sound. Oh,
that's what they're for? I thought it was decorations. Really?
And then so I play mbira, and then I play percussion, ngoma, osho. I learned at a tender age how to play those instruments. I also play marimba, but my main instrument is the guitar.
Okay.
So what I've done is I've adopted my mbira sound onto the guitar.
Oh man, I wish you could do it for us right now. All right. We're gonna have to do this all over again, right?
Oh yeah, sure.
Right. Okay, so tell us about the songwriting process. Is it like one of those you're hanging out with your friends and then a song just pops in your head and you're like, guys, I have to go? Or like maybe you sleep and then you wake up in the middle of the night and you're like, I have to write it down. What's the writing process like?
It's quite interesting, because you don't set out to say, I'm going to write a song, and then actually get to write the song. In fact, it comes as a feeling. And if you have been in the industry for a long time, if you're a music songwriter, sometimes you know the feeling that, you know what, I've got something. And then sometimes it starts off as I'm just performing and I'm just playing with my guitar or with my mbira, and then I have a melody, and then I start to generate the words, and then it develops into a song.
Okay. All right, his name is Munya, and it's been an absolute honor having him on Coke VIP tonight. So he bought a music video. I understand that's a big music video. Don't know maybe. All right, so tell us about the music video. Like, what's going on?
The video that I've come to showcase to you guys is called My Sweet African Couscous.
Oh,
wait, you know what couscous
is that
means?
A term of endearment? Couscous.
Oh yes. So the story is, when I travel and perform in the world, at times it's not easy to find our delicacy sadza. It's not easy to find sadza in Europe, in America. So my substitute for that is couscous, because it's one of the top 10 African delicacies when it comes to our staple diets. So the inspiration came from when I'd fallen in love.
Oh.
When I found the love of my life, and that's my wife. So because salsa is essential and we need it, and couscous is just a word that it just sounds nice. So
okay.
So that's how I named it. But the song is actually dedicated to people who are during their courtship. If you've got your lover, it's a perfect song for your lover. You can dedicate it to them. You can dedicate it to your wife. You can dedicate it to your husband. It's a song that says, it gives honor, it acknowledges your lover, that they are the love of your life.
All right, nice. So I don't know, you know, I'm single. I'm looking for my own personal couscous. Maybe you can find me on social media. You know. Anyway, Munya, thank you so much for coming through, and we hope to see you again. Check it out. This is My Couscous right here on Coke VIP.